Hi everyone. Well, in the pipeline some changes coming up at the Ponderosa, Horsingabout. I'll let you know all about it a bit later on. Things have been fairly rigorous the last few years, and I guess breaking your neck and being pretty close to not being makes you have a bit of a rethink on life and what's left of it, particularly with everything that's going on at the moment. So I put a lot of videos up, and I guess there's a lot of updating to do, which is pretty hard to do on YouTube unless you do another video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my Facebook link here somewhere, and my Facebook link is Richard James, Richard-James of the tribe or clan Woolly. So on Facebook I'll be able to put up small snippets about what's happening with the progress of the horses and let you know what's going on. Big Dutchie, I think, is leaving us for another home shortly, I think, and perhaps even Elsie and maybe Tess. Anyway, I'll keep you up to date. I'll keep making videos and keep up to date on Facebook. Appreciate all my subscribers and everybody checking up and wishing me all the best after my accident, or accidents I should say. So everybody stay well, be really healthy, have a wonderful life, and we'll keep catching up in the future. All the best. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and click the little bell to be advised of future posts. All the best. Bye.